abnormal breath sounds that you should be familiar with. Snoring, caused by partial obstruction of the upper airway, often caused by the tongue. Stridor, a harsh, high-pitched sound heard on inspiration, is common during upper airway obstructions. Croup is an example of an upper airway obstruction commonly found in young children and is usually associated with a seal-like barking cough. Wheezing is generally a whistling sound due to the narrowing of the patient's airways from edema, bronchoconstriction, or foreign body aspiration. Rhonchi is a rattling sound heard in the larger airways caused by excessive mucus. Rales are a bubbling sound heard in the smaller airways, typically when they fill with fluid, commonly encountered with CHF and pulmonary edema.